Hello, in this video I bring you the new edition of the Lutterloh System. This is the complete kit, steps at a glance to easily remember how to use your system and make easily your patterns. Here is your complete kit. Comes with the ruler in cardboard, the metric tape with a scale for little kids, bust or hip contour up to 140. So you mark here your bust or hip. Here you have your pins, your tape, everything to get started. And the instructions, we have the kit in English, in French and in Spanish, available on the website. We have all the instructions written, bust and hip measurement, how to take them. You tape your little pattern, you go to the center cross of the pattern to mark all the dots and have your patterns to your measure in just minutes. You need to add the seam allowance. Remember to add all the seam allowance and hem, and check before cutting your fabric and everything. It's based in a mathematical formula that talks about the proportion of the human body. The complete kit for XXL edition. This kit goes up to 180 centimeter for bust and hip measurement, and this is a special blue sizing scale, so it's not the same little scale that this one, that is the regular one, and goes up to 140 centimeters. And the symbol page, this is some symbols that you will find on the patterns: A front, B backs, the strength of the grain, if you use elastic, if it's gather, the zipper, the slim figure patterns, the full figure pattern that would come with more ease, the stretch knitted fabric. You can take this page or make a photocopy to have it handy by your side. There's some tips to show how to knit on your pattern, taking your measure, and how to put everything on the strength of the grain. And this is the new edition 2024. It comes with 280 different styles. Beautiful, all the patterns on the back part, skirts, different kind of sleeves, and beautiful top. This one a formal wear, this in stretch fabric, the pants and the blouse, the top, the little top here in stretch fabric, the skirt. And this one is the style, and you turn and you have all the patterns on the back part, and to make it to all the measurements. So you have infinity of beautiful patterns. You can mix and match. I love this one. I'm going to bring you the video for this beautiful dress. So beautiful and easy. The front, the back, and the pocket, and the little collar. That's it. It comes the pants. I love this kind of pants. And dresses. I love this one with stretch fabric, and you have all your pattern. This figure is a full figure. It's a princess cut. I think this one will be great because make the beautiful shape of the body. So remember, you have two patterns on the same one, and you have the two patterns. So you cut on the black line to separate them, give the seam allowance to join them. So you have two parts on the back, two parts on the front. This one comes on the fold of the fabric. You have the lower part of the skirt, the collar in here, and the little sleeve, and the little gather volant on the sleeve is this one. To join them, follow the little letters, A with A, B with B, C is the side with C. So I'm looking, D is the collar with the collar centering. E, let me see, is the center of the volant here in the back part, also centering, and E, F, and ash for the sleeve in here. So you recognize, for example, here is E, T. That means, so you go by letters, E, sleeve, and then T, flounce. So you have the flounce for the sleeve. And this is the front flounce and the back flounce. A means front, B back. So between blouse, the skirt in 3 parts, you can make this one just beautiful and make a combination of this one, for example, sport wear. They are lovely. This is slim, but that means it's fitted, so you can make it to your own, all your measures, and combine it in colors. For kids from 5 to 9, that's depending of the proportion, and of the kid, the skirt, the pants, the little jacket is just beautiful. A beautiful dress for summer. So I'm going to try to show you all the new edition. It's just gorgeous. Comes really complete, beautiful patterns, and the dresses and the tops for everybody at home, at the family. Remember, you can make all these patterns to all the measurements. So there are for all the family. For men, the polo, the t-shirt, the pants and shorts for summer. This one is beautiful, formal, for work, to work. For all time and occasion. I love these pants. This dress is just beautiful. Comes really, really beautiful and complete for everyone. Different kind of sleeves. So you can combine also the sleeve with another bodice. The collar using different colors here. So let me try to show you everything. You have here 280 patterns, beautiful patterns that you can work just in minutes with only 2 measurements. You have professional patterns at home. You can update if you have the kit from some time ago. You can update easily with all the new complete kit. The beautiful dress, I love this dress. Different kind of dresses. Here is in the lower part, it's like cutted. I just love this one, for example. For where I saw someone make this one, also this. Something vintage for men, for winter, formal pants in stretch, the jacket, and these pants also in stretch, on stretch, and the pull. I love this little sleeve. I think it's just practical and easy to sew, an easy project. So it's front and back for the dress or blouse. I love this one, so comfortable for home. Also, you can make a beautiful gift for your loved ones, for your family. This one is just beautiful. Chanel version pattern in here with all the little parts, so you can separate on the black line. So you have, for example, here 3 pieces to give the seam allowance and join again. This beautiful pants, also comfortable. The dress is just comfortable for summer and for all occasion. So it's when you have a beautiful pattern, you can be creative with fabrics, with transformation, with details, and with that pattern that fits, really fits. So you save time, money, and in your fabrics, because everything is fits beautiful. And the dress, the little jacket, I think it's beautiful and formal. The blouse and the skirt. Really a lot of patterns that you can enjoy. All kind of styles. Sport. This one could be formal pajama, sorry. And the little vest. This beautiful vest. This one is just beautiful too. The jacket, the skirt with the detail, beautiful dress, vintage. For men, another for men, this one could be the jeans only, the pool. You have the both on the patterns, and dresses, and dresses, skirts, different colors. Really all kind of garments for your garderobe. And dresses, skirts, a winter coat, and dress, a beautiful dress here, simple but really beautiful on this on the shoulders. I think this one also is just beautiful. Maternity wear, just beautiful. You can change the fabric and make it for winter or summer. And the last one for kids, for little girls. I hope you enjoy this little video, and take a look at the website. Thank you.